an opportunity that we can't pass on.
Welcome to the WB.
Yeah, sorry, doing the me. Can you hear the commentator? Me.
Rangi tāne tangata rau, rangi tāne nui ārangi, tini whetū ki te rangi ko rangi tāne ki te whenua. Kei ngā maunga whakahi, kei ngā wai riporipo tēnā iwi o tēnā iwi. Whakakotahi mai, whakapiripiri mai, whakahono mai ki tēnei pāpāhotanga. A whakaato Māori atu i konei, te papai oia, Manawatū. Nau mai ki taku whare kōrero, ki taku whare ōkiko. Tau mai rā, tau mai rā, tau mai rā.
Whānau, welcome to Colquhoun Park in the beautiful Manawatū. My name is Jackie Smith and I am joined by James Harris. We are here at the WBSC Under-18 Men's Oceania World Qualifier. Our first game about to start is between American Samoa and Australia. James, what can we expect from this game?
Well, firstly, hi Jackie, and hello to everyone watching from around the world, and special thanks to Chopper and the team for having me. Australia versus American Samoa for game one of this qualifier. You'll see both teams probably trying to test themselves out a little bit, get a feel for the ballpark. American Samoa's first time in Australia, of course, and we'll see some of the young stars of the Australian National Championships from earlier in the year come together for the first time. And try and put a good performance on the field.
Yeah, it's a great opportunity for these young men to really perform on the world stage, isn't it?
Absolutely, and it's a rehearsal, isn't it, for the World Cup that they're trying to qualify for.
Yeah, and it's so fantastic, as you said, to have them here on the world stage. Ladies and gentlemen, we are excited to be hosting this World Series, particularly here at Colquhoun Park in the Manawatū. All the best, the scene is set, the weather is fantastic, the diamond is looking great, all the best. Let's get these games underway.
As we get warmed up here for the kickoff here of this first game here in Colquhoun Park. Ground announcer Jay Friso calling the teams out to the diamond for the official festivities to kick off this game number one of the WBSC U18 Oceania Qualifier.
Okay. Center field, number 75, Walker Jante. The pitcher, number 37, Faber Jonathan. The first base, number 45, at odds Flynn. The third base, number 80, Turnbull Ezekiel. The left fielder, number 15, Muller Lawson. The right field, 51, DeVinkst Michael. Number 24, Jack Etherton. Number 6, Max Ferguson. Number 83, Nathan Hill. 67, Jake Hurst. 72, Tyler Ingold. Number 8, Jackson Jones. And number 39, Jackson Maluga. The coach, Stephen Macnack. And the assistant coaches, Cullum Bichel and Neil Del Perro.
Yeah. And then we
For American Samoa, the starting lineup, the center fielder, number 1, Tasi Sova. The second base, number 8, Melville Tudela. The pitchers, number 4, Harry Fatu. The third base, number 6, Calbro O'Brien. The catcher, number 5, Tapakia Tufan. The first base, number 10, Remy Lawson. The third base, number 7, Sean Tuzegna. The right fielder, number 9, Mate Lawson. And the left fielder, number 2, Logan Chen. Number 3, Bobby Ta. The coaches, Cameron Collins, Anthony Day, and Oliver O'Brien. The umpires for today's game, Sam Mickle, Heath Little, Alan Walsh, and Joel Grimes. The official scorers, Lil Tanana. Please be upstanding now for the national anthems of Australia and American Samoa.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome back to Colquhoun Park for game number 1 of the WBSC U18 Oceania Qualifier. It is between American Samoa and Australia to kick off the festival that will be softball, international softball, over the next 3 days. Of course, it's ANZAC Day, the 25th of April. It all goes down here in the beautiful, mighty Manawatū. Damien Collins with the play-by-play for Beyond the Dugout Broadcasting. And in the booth, calling the colour and the reo, is local and former junior black sock, Campbell Narimu.
Tēnā tātou, e mihi ana kia tātou e whakarongo maina. Tēnā, are mai o taringa. Whakarite rite o whatu, kia kite i tēnei hākina o te poiuka i tēnei ata. E mihi ana kia tātou, kia rangitāne, o tira ki ngā kapa e toru. Ko whai waiahi atu ki tēnei tōna mana. Tēnā rā tātou.
3 teams will compete for the 2 qualifying spots for the U18 WBSC World Cup. It's between American Samoa, Australia and New Zealand. Kicking things off at 12 is the American Samoa versus Australia side. And let's see our lineups today. In the lead-off spot for Australia at shortstop is Ethan Scott. In the hot corner in the 2 spot is Parker Cameron. The catcher behind the dish, batting in the 3 spot, is Flynn Townsend. John T. Walker is in the centre field. Jonathan Fabar has the ball on the hill for the opening pitch. The first base is Flynn Edards. Ezekiel Turnbull, Lawson Miller, and Michael DeFitz is rounding out the 9. We'll get a first look at American Samoa. Going up onto the field and on the hill is Harry Fatu, has the ball. Tapakia Tufono is the catcher. Remy Lawson is at first base. Melvin Tudela is in at second. On the hot corner, third base is Sean Desaina. Kelburn O'Brien is in at shortstop, and left to right in the outfield is Logan Chen. Tasi Saval and Martai Lawson is your outfielders for American Samoa. Campbell, first time these 2 teams have seen each other in history at this grade. What do you think we're going to see out there of these 2 teams?
Me pono take kōrero. Kāre mōhio whānui tia ki tēnei kapa o American Samoa hoi. He oi, ki te tahuri ki te kapa o ahi te reiria. Ko tino mōhio whānui tia ki te ao i tēnei kapa. In terms of what we're going to see today, I think Australia, we're wanting to start off strong, obviously, and as I just explained, that American Samoa might be their first, as I recall, their first time at Oceania Qualifier, so they'll be looking to start off strong, try and hold these batters down as much as they can and give themselves a shot with the stick. So, yeah.
That's exactly it, Campbell. Well, we're all set. The officials are set, the teams are fit. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to play ball. Leading off for the Australian team, the shortstop Ethan Scott's going to get his first look at this American Samoa side. Harry Fatu gets his call from Tafuna. And the first pitch just outside. American Samoa will be looking to show what they can do from the get-go, but of course I can see this team learning a lot from this experience over the next couple days. You might see a different team in case of experience and maturity as this qualifier goes on.
Ka tahuri ki te kaipatu o te kapa nei o ahi te reiria. No Victoria tēnei kaipatu, Ethan Scott from Victoria.
Gets a piece, sends it deep into centre field where Tasi Saval is under it to make the catch, and that'll be the first out here of this ball game.
Te rawe hoki o te rā hopu. E oi, ia tā wanga I mui tana hopu I te poro. Nā reira, hei titiro whakamua pia, hei titiro whakamua te rā pia, kia whakarite i ona waiwai, i ona i tana tinana, kia whai wāhi atu ki te hopi, kia pai ake, kia māma ake te hopi i te kōro. Probably just want to try and set himself a little bit earlier there. Was able to make the catch, but to make it a little bit easier for himself.
Yeah, that drop step, a little too late on that one, but he got it in the end, and that's all that matters. Into bat now is Parker Cameron, second baseman. Sees his first pitch down in the dirt for the ball. Manawatū sends it up the middle, where it's just juggled a bit there from O'Brien at shortstop. And we'll have the first base hit for this Australian side.
Me te rawe hoki o te rā patu, ko tā Parker Cameron, ki te whai wāhi atu ki te papa tuatahi. Able to get it on the backside of that one and then do enough to get himself on first base. Rawe.
Yeah, made it hard for O'Brien there at shortstop, having to cover the middle there. They square up, the ball goes off the catcher's glove, and Cameron will advance to second base. Heard the ground announcer called 1-2, 1-1. I thought that was the first.
Ai tika tā hui, Damien. Ko tai hanake te kuru. There's only been one pitch.
Yeah, so up the top of the zone for ball 2. Harry Fatu, correct me if I'm wrong, we saw him play against New Zealand in the qualifiers for the men's just a couple years ago at 14 years old. And here he is at 17. He's going to do a lot of work for this team over the next couple of days. Good to get a strike there. 2-1. Beautiful day here, Campbell. Is it normally like this? Or?
Kaore. Kare konei, Damien. Kaore. Kua hua. Me kira kua wanga ngā huarere, te huarere rānei, ki tēnei takiwā o te Manawatū. Oh, ki te atu I te hopu o Samoa, o American Samoa, ka rawe e tama.
It was up the top of the zone, so Townsend had to go up to hit it out to left field, but it was caught by Chen, who makes the second out of this ball game as Cameron tags up at second base. He'll advance to 3. And now with a runner in scoring position and 2 down, that's going to bring to bat the centre fielder, Jonty Walker.
Tēnā kia whakahoki atu ki tō pātai. Is the weather always like this? E kao. No, it's not. We were a bit worried at the start of the week, to be honest.
I think we all were, mate, definitely across the lower central North Island.
Nā te kaha heke o te ua. The rain was pouring Monday and Tuesday.
Goes down in the dish, pops up off of the catcher, loses it in sight, and that will bring in the first run for this Australian team. Parker Cameron crossing home plates and opens this ball game 1-0. The New Zealand team looking on in the bank, getting their first sights on day 1. Of course, they've been here a couple of days, had a couple pre-tournament games against each other.
I whai waihi atu ai ki te kōrero ki a rātou kaiako, ki o rātou kaiako. Me tō tarātou mea mai ki ai, kaha hikaka tēnei kapa, ki tai mai ki tēnei tōna mana. All the boys are excited. I managed to catch up with a couple of the coaches before the game, before the opening ceremony, and excited. That seems to be the recipe for this weekend.
Yeah.
Excited.
Well, I know yourself, a former junior Black Sock yourself, Campbell. We talked about earlier in the program before the opening ceremony, but pretty special to put on the fern and represent your country in front of your friends and family.
Absolutely. Second to none. Second to none. It's a little bit different. It's hard to kind of explain. Unless you've worn the fern, it's hard to explain the feeling. Yeah, proud. Proud, that's the word that comes to mind when you think about it.
Right. 3-1 the call. Jonty Walker, centre fielder, into bat here. Fatu throwing a few pitches here in this opening innings. And ball 4, Walker will take the walk.
Rā kua whai wāhi atu ki te papatuatahi, ko tā Walker.
And that's going to bring to bat Jonathan Fabar, the pitcher, hitting in the 5 spots. Always love seeing a pitcher getting to bat.
Ai. Quite fortunate i ngā rā o mua. Ka whakaarohia e rā ingoa rongo nui, rā ko Jared Martin. Jared Martin is someone that comes to mind when you think about pitching, hitting. Tētahi tautōhito tēnei ko te kapa o ngā tōkena pango. Legend.
Legend.
The Black Sox team. Aki tēnei tākaro te pōiuka.
In any language, Jared Martin equals legend.
Kia ora, Danny, kia ora.
Well, Walker goes sliding into second base. He puts himself in scoring position for Bart. You'd think if he finds a gap here, Walker will be gassing it, especially being a centre fielder, usually the fastest kid on the field.
Ai, me taku te tiro, kua tawhiti rawa ngā kai tākaro te kapa nei o Samoa. We can see the Samoan outfielders playing quite deep, which is obviously for our softballers out there. It'll be quite hard to make a play at home from that far away.
Yep. Unless you've got a rocket strapped to your arm.
Tika tāu, Damien.
And I'm sure some of these kids are just going to surprise us this weekend with what actual talent they've got out there.
Kia ora. Tai hoa tātou ka kite. I wēnei pūkenga ko kōrerohia e koe. Yeah, in due time we'll see.
They won't show everything just yet in the first innings, no doubt. Up top, catcher gets a hold of that one. Tufono gets it back to Fatu pretty quickly. 2-2 the call. 2 down here in the top of the first. Runner on 2. Australians pitcher for Bar into bat. Down in the dirt, will load that count. 3-2.
Ko tāku pēr hei aki te kai e pa nei. Kia kaua e whaka e noho tō muri I roto I te kaute. Bit of advice is to obviously try and stay in front of the count as a pitcher and try and...
Gets a piece of that, sending it centre field. Has it got the legs? And it is over the fence. A pitcher that can hit autos as well. You'd love to see it.
Ai, karanga ki a koe tama. Hei, au e ha. Ka mutu pēr e tama.
Fabar sending it deep to centre field for the first home run of the U18 WBSC Oceania Qualifier. He scores 2 himself, and Jonty Walker goes from second to home. And that will put a 3 on the scoreboard for Australia. And with 2 down, that's going to bring to bat the first base, Flynn Eddards. Lefty. First lefty into bat. We'll see how Fatu adjusts. Some pitchers out there don't like the lefties, me being one of them.
Taua. That makes 100 of us.
Cesar on the outside for the ball. I was getting a bit worried about Fabar. Like, kept on hitting it down and hitting his foot. And like, mate, you got a pitcher, look after yourself, and then boom. Outs. Fatu just trying to find his rhythm here.
Koia Damien. Nana tonu ana tēnei tama. Whai tēnei mea te kira te tana float. Ka pai ai te rere o te toinga o te kēmu. Trying to find his flow. Get his team out of here and then give themselves a shot with the stick.
Well, he gets that through the zone for the called strike.
Tēnā pia kia tahuri hoki, kia hoki atu ki tā Jonathan Fabar, Patsu Tsuki. Fabar doing a great job. Keep his hands behind the ball and not doing too much and just drive the ball to centre field.
Did he what? Well, Eddards going to take a walk to his his base, first base. And that's going to bring to bat Ezekiel Turnbull from the hot corner. That position on the field that has the reflexes like a cat. We'll like to think they do. Oh, gets a piece at the top of the zone. It's going back and over. Another automatic home run on the first pitch to Turnbull. He scores 2. He does cross home's plate, as does Turnbull. And we're opening up the score to 5 runs to 0.
O tēnei pēr taku mihi ki a koe e tama e Ezekiel. I tō tukinga. Ki tawhiti atu I te taiapa. Me tika rā kia mihi a I a koe. Kia mihi a e koe.
Well, we knew it wasn't going to be easy for this American Samoa team to come out here against a classy outfit like Australia. But Australia have come out with the gas and stamped out how they want to see this weekend play out. Of course, only 2 spots to book to get that World Cup spot in this Oceania group stage. Qualifier, sorry.
Kei tika koe, Damien. Ko tino kite I te waiaro o tēnei kapa wahi trairia. Rā kua whai haumarutanga tērā kaipatu, ki te papatuatahi. Yeah, we've seen that. Obviously, you can see the attitude of this Australian team as I've just shot straight out the gate.
Yep. American Samoa starting well, getting that first out, and then giving up the error at 6, and then the second out. But Australia just finding their straps here, getting Fatu's rhythm. And anything in near the zone, Australia is swinging. You've seen a couple big hits hit at the top of the zone.
Ko tā te toenga o te kapa, he ata tātari I wā rātou kua kai tākaro. Kia kau e ngana ki te kira te overplay. Try not to overplay so as they get through the lineup, these young Steelers boys. Just want to not overplay.
Yep.
Do what they need to.
Slammed up the middle. Fatu gets out of the way just in time.
Hikama.
Thanks. Safe at second with Mola. Safe on 3, and that's going to bring back the top of the shop. The leadoff Ethan Scott, who was caught in his first at bat at centre field. Giving American Samoa the 1 up, 1 down.
Right. E tamae Michael, kei tawhiti koe.
First offering for Fatu is the strike called. 9 batters up, 5 runs scored, 2 runners on. 2 down here in the top of the first innings. 2 pitches, 2 strikes here from Fatu.
American Samoa probably just looking to try and get a ground ball here, get themselves out of the inning. Kamatara e tamama, kamatara.
Yeah, you don't want to give this Australian team too much more. Well, drop, 3rd strike. They're going to score at home. The runner advances to 3, as does Ethan Scott, goes to first. And with 2 down, 2 runners on, that's going to bring to bat Parker Cameron. Smacked it to O'Brien at shortstop in his first at bat. Just out of reach of O'Brien. He had to make some ground up in the middle. And Parker Cameron scoring the first run for the Australian side. 11th batter up here in the top of the first. Leaves that one first offering for the strike call.
Ka pērā hoki anō te waiaro a tēnei kapa o Samoa, American Samoa. Just want to try and get themselves out of this inning. Get a ground ball, make a play, get themselves out of the inning. Yeah.
I always love those fouls there, Campbell. I'm sure you've seen a lot of people flinch in this grandstand when it goes back. Love it here.
Kua pērā tonu te āhua. Te mataku o te pōro mai tēnei takiwa o ngā whira nei, o te pāka nei.
2 strikes. 2 down here in the top of the first. Outside left for the ball. Catcher looking down first base. Whātū at the hills, like, don't forget about third base, mate. 1 ball 2. American Samoa would love this out here. Stop this momentum that Australia have got.
Ai rā, kei te tika koe, Damien. Just looking at trying, again, get themselves out of the inning, give themselves a shot. Ko tino hika ka hau ki te I nei kaipatu o tēnei kapa o American Samoa. Excited to see what they can do with the stick. And I'm pretty sure they are too.
Yeah, they can't wait to get back in. Just regroup for a second and then go on the offense. Whātū throws it up the top of the zone for the ball. 2-2 the call. Good batting here from Parker Cameron to come back from the 0-2 to load up the count. 3 balls, 2 strikes. Great placement in his first at bat. Kelvin O'Brien just unable to get to it. Giving their first base hit, just like he does there. Slams it up the middle, out of reach from the second base. Aussie will score their 7th run. Ethan Scott safe on 3. Parker Cameron safe on 2nd. And that's going to bring to bat the catcher, Flynn Townsend. He was caught by left field in his first at bat. Where Parker Cameron tagged up and advanced to 3rd. 2 runners in scoring position here.
He te rawe hoki o te rā chikinga, te rā patu Parker Cameron. Great job to stay behind the ball, hold his hands back and drive that ball up the middle.
Yeah, good solid batting here from the Australian side. Even the catches were good hits.
All right.
Whātū facing his 12th batter of the innings. That goes past and will score the 8th run. Ethan Scott safe at home. Parker Cameron safe on 3rd. Whātū doing it hard out there.
Hai, te rapea he wahanga pēr. Kia ui te kaiako o te kapa nei. Maybe a nice time for the coaching staff, management staff of this American Samoa team to come out and just regroup their team.
Yep. Yeah, it's a hot, beautiful day here in Colquhoun Park, but there's nothing hotter than standing in the middle of that diamond, having to throw it down for your team.
Koia pia te take, Damien, kare tino maha ngā kaie, but probably the reason why we don't have, there's not that many pitches around the world.
Yeah.
Tough job.
Oh, great hit down the line. Game of inches. And that stayed in the field of play just. But slamming it down the hot corner will score the 9th run of Parker Cameron with Townsend now safe on 2nd base. They'll send him in for a designated runner. Parker Cameron will come back out and do that for Townsend as he puts on his gears.
Ai tata tau titiro. Keke ana te haere o te rā tukinga. Ki te taha maui o te kapa, o te whira. See that double shot down the 3rd baseline like a rocket. Keke ana te haere whānau. Ara, kiwa
First kiwaha hau. Keke ana te haere, like a rocket.
And they call it the hot corner for nothing. John C. Walker into bat now. The centre fielder scored off his walk in his first at bat. With Parker Cameron now doing the running for Townsend on second. Swung on and fouled off there by Walker.
Aira, ko whai hara.
Manawatū throwing a lot of pitches here in the top of the fifth, but he just keeps on going back to that plate. He's ready to go. Of course, international standard here at this beautiful ballpark. Pitchers pitching off the block, not the mat that a lot of New Zealand are used to.
Ai, kei tika e te min. He ua ka tika me ai au e mātaki ana i nei tama i ngā rangitata nei.
I even love seeing the batter's boxes without the strip of artificial on it.
Ai, kei tika, rawe. Rawe tiki te atu.
You look at that left batter's box for the right batters by the end of the game.
Ai. Ka pērā I te Grand Canyon. You like the Grand Canyon?
You're quiet, but other ones about it, I can hardly do something.
Hit to
Hara.
second base, who makes the
Rawe.
play and gets them out of the innings.
Ka rawe.
Wow, that was a big top of the first for Australia, sending 13 batters up, scoring 9 runs themselves through a couple automatics and some good base running there. We're going to take a quick break. We'll be back with the bottom of the first with American Samoa's first at bat of this game. We'll be back in a moment. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, here to Colquhoun Ballpark for the WBSC U18 Oceania Qualifier. It's Australia taking on American Samoa. We're at the bottom of the first. Australia open up their batting account with 9 runs. And now it's American Samoa's first at bat. First pitch from Fabar on the hill was a called first strike. And that will take it to 1-1. Leading off for the American Samoa side is the centre fielder, Tasi Sabal.
Ai, nā nei e me kira I whiwhi I te waho tuatahi, I te hopunga tuatahi, who recorded the first out of the game.
He sure did. Catch in at centre field. They got their batter on deck now. 1 ball 2. But throwing a couple pitches in his first 4. Got a bit of gas there, Campbell.
Ai, kei tika, Damien. Tino kahana ana epa. Tā te kai epa nei.
Little things that you'll notice with the Australian side, they've started doing it, especially since that that World Cup in Auckland a couple years ago. They've adopted the plays on there. They've got the arm bar, so the catcher will make the play. You'll see all the players look down to see where that ball's going. They've got precision plays for everything.
Jack Beesgrove.
Yep.
All the top dogs in the
That
Steelers.
Beesgroves he's a cheat code as well, isn't he?
Yeah.
Mate, kid's awesome. It's the last time I'll say that of him. Just gasses him for the strikeout. Jonathan Fabar gets the first out on the hill here on day 1 of the Oceania Qualifier. And with 1 down, that's going to bring to about the second baseman, Melville Tudela.
E te rawe hoki o tā te kai epa I te rā poro. Nice drop ball on the outside part of the corner.
Up in the zone, fell back to the roof. Joe Friso all over it.
Both Danica and Little Joe got it from somewhere.
Yeah, we're still trying to figure out who though, but no. Fabar gets this call from his catcher Townsend. Takes some speed off that one.
Rawe tama.
Gets some swinging on the outside for the strike. American Samoa just have to see some pitches, figure it out. They seem pretty keen to swing though.
Ai. Tino ki te I tērā waiaro hikaka I roto I tēnei kapa o American Samoa.
Up the top, the zone just crumbled down to Fabar, who makes the play to Edards for the second outs.
Brings up the pitcher, number 4, Harry
See Fabar with establishing his drop ball early, able to makes the change of pace a lot more effective.
Yep. On the 3 spot, Harry Fatu, the American Samoa pitcher, into bat now.
Everyone in claw one back here for his kapa. Tana tima.
Well taken ball there by Edards.
Harawe tērā.
Goes down the first base line and he just tags up for that third outs here at the bottom of the first with a 3 up and a 3 down. We have 1 innings completed in this one. It is Australia 9, American Samoa zip. We'll be back in just a few moments.
That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Let's just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia waganui tutu.
Me and my brother take stop.
I want to win. I want to win. Let's go. Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
Ai marika, ka whakaatuhia ngā tino kapahaka.
You were incredible. You were like a delicate taro leaf.
Tēnei raumati.
We were very lucky with kapahaka. With our kaiokas, with our parents and our aunties and nannies.
We wanted to be able to share that.
Ka tika. I te kāinga o te haka ki Māori Plus.
Get the
MāORI Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewing and 100% ad-free.
Like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make MāORI Plus your mate and stream now.
No mai haere mai whānau. Welcome back here to Colquhoun Park, Palmerston North, and the mighty Manawatū. It is day one, game number one of the WBSC U18 Oceania Qualifier between Australia and American Samoa. We're in the top of the second here. Australia back to bat, and they're leading off with their pitcher, Jonathan Fabar, who gets a piece, sends it to. Oh no, he didn't.
Hikama, tama. Ka mutu pea.
Oh dear, ladies and gentlemen. Jonathan Fabar, second at bat. First pitch faced here in the top of the second. Sends it over the outfield fence for his second automatic home run of the ball game. That's right, second automatic home run of the ball game.
Kei whea mai tama, kei whea mai. Anei pea te karanga. Ha!
First base, Flynn Eddard's into bat now. He picked up the walk and scored in his first at bat. Sees his first offering, top of the zone. Out of the zone for the ball. Lots of people got their posies around this great diamond here. Diamond number one. Pretty much identical diamonds, 1 and 2 here at Colquhoun Park. I think the only thing missing on 2 is the bullpens. Outstanding setup here, Campbell. Outstanding.
Me hika tika ki ngā hāpai o Manawatū, te kapa o Manawatū. Mihi ana ki a rātou i a rātou mahi. I tā rātou whakapai wera ia te tau. Big mihi to the grounds crew and the people from Manawatū Softball Association working in the background. Yeah, just year in, year out. Ko pēnei. Te atāhua hoki o ngā whira. Beautiful.
I do love coming to the 06, mate. Always welcomes, just the way you guys all muck in and get stuff done. And yeah, just outstanding crew, outstanding association. So outstanding to be back here in the Manawatū Softball Association. Eddard picks up his second walk of the ball game. He'll be safe on first base, and that's going to bring to back Ezekiel Turnbull, the other to hit an automatic home run in this ball game. Smashes it to O'Brien, who makes the catch and tries to get it over in time. Eddard just took a couple meters, and if that ball was on, that was money. That was a double play all day.
Nā te hikaka pea I whakatere ai tana whiu ki te papatuatahi. Probably just got a bit too excited there. He had a lot of time there to make that double play throw to one. Heoi.
Losamola, the left fielder, into bat now. He smashed it to shortstop in his first at bat and scored himself. One down here, one runner on first. Fourth batter up here for Fatu to face. And that will be out of reach from the hot corner. It will dribble down left field. They're going to send him, and that will score the 11th run. With Eddard's going from first to home. And Muller having the wares and listening to his coach. And now he stands up on third base.
Kei whea mai, outstanding.
Yeah, just third base playing infield, just a little bit too much there. But great hitting there from Muller and running by Eddard and Muller to score another one.
Yeah, always going to be difficult to make the plays down the line. If you're in too much off the line. Here we go.
Livingston to bat now. The right fielder, he was dropped third strike in his last at bat. Oh no, he wasn't. The next one was. He was hit it straight up the middle to centre field. I definitely heard ball on thigh there. I'm sure of it. Don't rub it.
Don't rub it.
1-1 the call. Livingston to bat. Runner on 3, 1 down here in the top of the second. Inside for ball number 2.
Ai me aro ka tika tēnei kapa o American Samoa. Kia whai ngā outs.
Inside for ball 3, 3-1. Of course, the schedule on day number 1, ladies and gentlemen. This one, Australia, American Samoa, that started at 12 p.m. 3 p.m. is American Samoa versus New Zealand, the first look of that U18 Junior Black Sox team. And then at 6 p.m. tonight, it's the Battle of the ANZACs. It is Australia versus New Zealand. If you're around, come down, watch it live and in person. We're going to have some fun with it. And if you're at home, I get it. There's heaps on the telly. Up the wires.
Ara, kei pōne ke ngā wires I tēnei pō. Wires, I believe, playing in Wellington.
I know, don't remind me. Guess where I'd be if I wasn't here. At home. no lines at the fridge at home. Full house here, 3 balls 2.
A me mihi ka tika ki ngā hoia o tūmā tauenga. I pakanga ki te pakanga o te ao tuarua.
Gets a piece, sends it right field. Has it got the legs?
Oh, rawe!
And the catch. Well done.
Ka mitu pēa e tama. Ko ai tērā.
Sends it to his counterpart in at right field, who makes a great catch there for the second outs. Moller tags up, scampers into home for the 12th run of this ball game, and we're back to the top of the order here in the top of the second with the lead-off shortstop. It is Ethan Scott. He was caught at centre field in his first at-bat, dropped third strike and ended up scoring in his second at-bat. A shortstop in the lead-off spot. Who would have thought?
Hoki whakaro atu ki ngā tuki, ngā tūtata me ki o ngā kapa o ngā tōkena pango.
Again, hitting the top of the zone. That finds it shallow right field. Lawson just unable to get to it, bounces under the glove, tidied up by centre fielder Saval. And Scott will stand up on second base with some good placement in there in the right field.
E ai ki te nuinga o ngā tangata ki te ao poiuka, koe rā te tūranga ua-ua, ki te taha o te taha ārai o te tākaro nei. As most softballers would know, that right field is always the hardest position in softball to defend, because everything from a righty tails away and everything from a lefty comes so hard it's hard to react. So yeah, e mihi ana ki te tamara.
Looks like we've got a pincher in here for Australia coming into bat for Parker Cameron. Is going to be Jackson Jones. Parker Cameron had scored both his occasions at bat. I'm sure Jackson Jones wants to do the same.
All right.
Keep the 2 spot at 1,000. This is his first offering out of the zone for the ball.
Rāno hoki, ko tā American Samoa, e hihi anō rātou kia whai tētai I te putanga whakamutunga. American Samoa just want to try and get a ground ball here. Not going to get a ground ball, get themselves out of there.
Yeah, they've got 2 good outs to get a bit of confidence behind them. Beautiful catch at centre, at shortstop, as well as right field. Could have been all over with that double play. Fatu seems a bit more confident on the hill now, finding his rhythm. Tapakia Tufono behind the dish, calling the balls in strikes. Well, catcher calls, imagine it. Imagine it. Well, he's calling what to throw. Of course, Sam Minkle is the umpire behind the dish, calling the balls and strikes. Alan Walsh at first, Heath Little at first, Alan Walsh at second, and Joel Grimes rounds out our official crew out there. Lynette Leithart is the electronic scorer for this. Marie Byrne is doing the paper, and Auntie Lil, Elizabeth Natana, is down there as well, keeping all the order down.
Ara hoki e tahi tūranga ua. Ko te tūranga o te kaiwawa, umpiring, eh? It's a thankless job. Cop a lot.
Indeed, mate. Indeed. No, tip of the cap to anyone that goes out for any grade. Because no one wants to do it. Hopefully there's a box involved afterwards. But yeah, absolutely a thankless job. And at this level as well, these guys have done it all. So you got to get that thick skin about you, but we all know that they're in a position to do their job out there, and we thank them for it. Another hitter coming in, Tyler Ingold. Australia getting their bench some hits now. New Zealand team behind us looking relaxed as they get ready for their 3 p.m. game against American Samoa.
Tino ki te hi kaka I roto I a rātou. See the excitement in the voice. Some of them, in terms of tournament play, first time they've worn the crest, the fed.
Special.
Aye.
As you know, Campbell, we've caught a lot of their, especially the New Zealand boys, a lot of their games over the years with Beyond the Dugout broadcasting. So, not going to lie, man, it's pretty proud seeing a lot of these young men get a chance to put on the firm. You know, a lot. Cool nephew, or seen them around the traps. So it's good to see, and can't wait to see them out there actually in the uniform playing the game.
Ka tika teime. Me me hi hoki kia chopa, tana tama. Me ana kia Jackau. Jackau in his debut this weekend. Me hi ana kia rata ki te whānau Kirby's. Me hi ka tika. Ko roa tēnā whānau e ka tautoko, e ka whakapau wera ana I roto I tēnei tākoro o te puiuka. Yeah, big mihi to chopper in this whānau. Long-standing supporters of our hākina of softball in Aotearoa. So mihi ana kia rātou, kia koutou.
Australia have stopped stealing in this one. Goes past the catcher's mitt. Well, I'm glad you gave Jacko a shout out, mate, because Chopper won't do it. But no, pretty proud of the Neff.
Aye.
Apart from when I'm on commentary and he keeps on hitting me in the back. But anyway, love you, Neff. Ball goes by again. Not usually you see a bit of etiquette in an international game. It's usually foot on the throat until the end, right?
Ka tino kiti tērā I roto I tēnei I ngā tuki ngā ki Wanganui I te radio me Aotearoa. Something you'll never see in ANZAC clashes.
No way. No way. Dead ball there, hits the batter. So that was Nathan Hill was in for an at-bat, and he makes his way with the hit by pitch, and that will bring in Townsend. No, that will bring in Ethan Scott, who was on 3. Cameron now on, Jackson Jones is now at 3. Townsend, Ingold is now at 2, and Hill is now at first. And now we're back to, are they letting him bat again? The bar fouls that off.
Ngana na Whabaka. Kariro ia I tona home run tuatoru. Looking for his 3rd home run here for Bar. Of the game. Is the Te Kaiepa o Te Kapanei o Ahitara area.
Well, he faced 3 batters on the hill. This is his 3rd at bat himself in the top of the 2nd. Already 2 automatic home runs to his name. It bounces off the glove, but as you see, Australia not going anywhere. They've got 13 runs on the scoreboard now. Pretty sure it's 13.
Okay,
yep, it is. Leaves that down low for the ball.
American Samoa just want to try and get a ground ball, get themselves out of the inning here. Try and chase this deficit down.
Yeah, they've got the 2 outs.
All right.
The old classic any base will do on this one.
Absolutely, it makes it pretty easy.
Unfortunately, you've got a batter that's already hit 2 automatic home runs in this ball game, but anything can happen in a game of softball. Fatu into his wind-up. Fabar heads it back to his counterpart. They go for the double, but that will be the 3rd outs of the ball game. But not before Aussie score a couple more runs. Another Fabar automatic home run there as well. So we've got the top of the 1st is now completed. It's Australia 13, American Samoa zip. We'll be back with the bottom of the 2nd with American Samoa's at bat right after these. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, here to Colquhoun Park. It's the bottom of the 2nd innings. Australia versus American Samoa. American Samoa doing it tough. They're down by 13 runs. So here we go with their 2nd at bat. They're going to bring to bat to lead off is Calvin O'Brien, the shortstop here for American Samoa.
Ai, anei hoki ko whaiba no te kapanei o Ahitara area. Ngana ana ki te whai putanga, tana kapa.
Faber on the hill here for Australia in his second innings. Faced only 3 batters in his first. And now he's ahead of the count to start off his second innings. Doing it with the bat. Doing a bit of everything here, really.
Ai, ke tika koe Damien. Faber come to play.
Absolutely. Goes gassing him on the outside for the strikeout swung. And that will be one. And that's going to bring to bat the catcher, Tapakia Tufono. His first look in the batter's box in this ball game. Straight through the zone for the strike called.
Beautiful drop ball on the outside part of the plate there.
Gets that outside corner called again. Beautiful placement there. It's all heating up here at the ballpark. Hive of activity over in Diamond 2. The New Zealand U15 Sox are taking on the Manawatū select team. All the parents of their posies around the outfield fence. Tufono goes down swinging on the strikeout, and that's going to bring to bat the first base, Remy Wilson. For Bar, the first pitcher that we'll see of Australia today. They've brought themselves a 4-man crew. 5 if they let one of the others pitch. All righties. Or it might have been two lefties. Fabar gets him swinging. Well, it's definitely one lefty because he's pitching right now. Wake up, Collins, wake up.
Ko ki te tātai te ao poiuka i te kaha o ngā kaiepa no Ahitaraia. Ka toko ake ngā ingoa pēnei Jack Bearsgrove, Adam Falkard.
Yeah.
Ko ai ate. Jeez.
Jeez, yeah.
Koira. Toki o te ao poiuka.
Wow. 3 up, 3 down, all strikeouts. We'll have 2 completed in this one. We'll go to the top of the third with Australia coming back to bat. They lead this one, 13 runs to 0.
Who is Israel Adesanya? He's the middleweight champion of the world. I go Pete.
Don't want to boast, but we do lead the way in a lot of areas.
When they hit the stage, it's like, wow.
Yeah, that was a bit controversial back in the day.
I'm an addict, but I didn't think it would be this hard.
Kind of a bit funny when people say to me, oh, what are the boys up to? And I'm like, oh, hang on, I'll just get out my phone and have a look.
How do we do something that we think we've lost, but maybe we haven't?
There's always going to be times when I'm tempted.
Natural history all around, you just can't avoid stepping on it.
Just thought it was a man's job.
I would go back to my hotel room and I'd be broken.
It's better to be a warrior in a garden than to be a gardener in a war.
This is the future.
It's hard to explain the feeling walking in the footsteps of your ancestors.
The Matariki season of Pakipūmika Aotearoa, ki Māori Plus.
Ko te Māori rere, Manawatū rā, kia kaha, kia Māori, kia ū. Ko te Māori kei a koe.
Island of Mystery, ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
No mai haere mai. We're back here at Colquhoun Park at the top of the third. It's Australia versus American Samoa, game number 1 on day number 1 of the WBSC U18 Oceania Qualifier. Australia up over American Samoa, 13 runs to zip. And we're getting into run rule country here. Of course, you need 15 after 3, 10 after 4, and 7 after 5. So if Australia can add a couple here and do what they've been doing on the hill through for bar, this game could be wrapped up. But of course, since I've just talked about it, it probably won't happen now.
Commentators curse.
Yeah, it's real, mate. It's real. Foul back by Edard's lefty batter playing first base in this one. He's got 2 walks to his name. 1-1 the call.
Ai mena koutou e kia koutou mai mātakina I te kāinga. Ko tino kite I te waiaro tēnei kapa o ahi Australia. Australia come to play. Damien.
Absolutely, they have. Not letting anything up in this opening stanza of this tournament. Fatu gets his call from Tufono. Down in the dirt for the ball. Third time in the field here, Campbell. You know, we are getting into that rule, but what can American Samoa do to just slow it down for Australia?
I think keeping the ball down in terms of their battery, keeping the ball down and not letting Australia elevate the ball. Ground outs.
Ground outs, pop-ups. That's not going to help.
Hold it.
Hit by pitch right in the back there of Edwards. Takes his 3rd walk to first base of this game. And that's going to bring up Ezekiel Turnbull from the hot corner. Home run in his first at-bat, was caught by shortstop and almost caught Edwards off guard as well in that last at-bat. We know Turnbull can send it. The right-handed batter here from Australia.
Me te rawe hoki o tana tukinga I tana putanga I te rātua. Although caught by a shortstop, it was a line drive, a hot roped line drive to shortstop. So seeing the ball well.
Yep. Fatu has faced a lot of batters in this game. Here in the top of the 3rd. 16 to be exact. No, 24 to be exact. Just going to take a moment here. Quick corridor in the middle of the diamond.
All right. American Samoa not loaded with pitching this weekend. So a couple of names that spring to mind. Heine Shannon.
Yep.
The load that Heine Shannon used to carry. So, e mihana kia koe tama.
Give Heine that bottle of Sprite, mate. Go all day. American Samoa having their first talk of the game now in the middle. Just slowing it down here in the second batter in the top of the 3rd. Ezekiel Turnbull, the 3rd base here for Australia. Into bat. Turnbull, all tournament, designated player at the all tournament in the 2026 Nationals. He'll make his way to first base. Edwards goes to second. Just going back to the young man in the middle there, Fatu. We talked about him doing a workload this weekend. American Samoa only have a roster of 10, 11 players. I think they brought 11. One of them was ineligible. And when they did the sign-ins last night. So going to do it tough. It looks like just out of reach of the second base. But he gets the force at second place for the first outs. So with one down, Edard's at third base. That's going to bring to bat the left fielder. Sorry, the left fielder Mola is safe on second base, and that's going to bring to bat the right fielder Michael fifth. He'll foul that away. No, sorry. There's been a change in batter. Jack Etherton is into bat for Australia. You don't know the players. You just got to keep on track with the numbers, right?
Tika Damien. Yaki ngā pānui imwei kemu ko Jack.
Oh, finds a middle between 5-6. Slams it to left field. They'll score another run. Their 14th here through Flynn Eddards crossing home plates.
Efforts in another one that's part of their battery, their pitching staff this weekend. Kapawahi Traeria.
Coming in and doing a good job with the bat. That's going to bring to bat the top of the shop is Ethan Scott from the shortstop position. He was caught at centre field on his first at bats, dropped third strike and scored in his second, and was caught at right field. And hit at right field in his third at bats. Gets a piece, sending it foul.
Keke ana te haere. Like a rocket.
Ethan Scott from Victoria, also a catcher. Played in both the 18s and the 23s nationals this season in Australia. Doing his job well in the leadoff. Sends it to, just again, the catch at shortstop, just tried to get that double play and just unable to make the play, did the second baseman. But that will be the second out. Another catch there by O'Brien at shortstop. Mola is now safe on third.
Kua rawe ki kite I tēnei ia O'Brien. Te tūtata o te kapa o American Samoa. Made a couple of nice plays for shortstop.
And we talk about those plays earlier, how we might see a different team as the tournament progresses. You know, just taking that millisecond to just set yourself and get that throw on the money. But yeah, these kids will just grow as the tournament progresses, especially playing the teams like Australia and New Zealand. A lot of learnings. O'Brien just off the glove there, goes dribbling into centre field. They're going to try and score two here, and they do Australia. So that will take them to 16 on the tally.
There's the commentator's curse.
Parker Cameron. No, sorry. Ingold into bat now. Gets a piece, sends it up. Left field under it. Ooh. Just loses his footing as the ball comes down. And someone check on that young man. I'm pretty sure he just took the ball to the face. Take a minute, kid. Just, that's unfortunate. He was in the right place and everything, and just the feet just gave out under him.
Doesn't kill you, makes you stronger.
That's it. And goal will come out and let someone else do the running for him. John C. Walker was in this spot. I'm pretty sure he's been swapped out. Yep, that's right. Nathan Hill into bat now for him. As you heard from a supporter in the background, full name even.
It's got to be dead.
Yeah, surely. Big swing and a miss there from Hill. One runner on here in the top of the third. We're in run rule country now, so all Australia have to do is keep that tally going.
Ko kite I te Waiaro Nathan Hill. By the looks of the two first swings of his epee, he's got one thing in mind.
Yeah, absolutely. See ball, hit ball.
All right.
See ball, smash ball.
All right.
I can see the cafe open, the canteen's open. Beautiful day down here. Come down and enjoy it for yourself. Fatu doing a hell of a job for his team to keep on going. Hit one hopper down the hot corner, and he'll be safe on first base. And that will bring to bat. They're going to make a change. Max Ferguson's going to come in to have a hit here for Bar. Max Ferguson's first at bat in this one. From Queensland, national champions. Pitcher, outfielder here in this lineup here for Australia. It's interesting to see how many of the lads here were here this time last year for the 23s qualifier, but they were also here with the U18s. New Zealand and Australia were playing each other as well. So probably the second trip to Palmy for a lot of them. Lucky.
How lucky are they?
Yeah, indeed, indeed. Paradise North. Wind going across the diamond here. Just a breeze, as you can see with the flags in the background.
Pai te kite I te Waiaro tēnei, ko te kaiepa o tēnei kapa o American Samoa. Harry Fatu. Machine, mate.
We just set every time, right? Oh, smashed it between the 5-6 hole. Goes bouncing into left field. Who makes the play in? Scoring just the one there, Australia. With runners on 1 and 2. And that's going to bring up Flynn Eddards, who was walked in his first 2 at-bats, hit by pitch in his next one. The lefty took it in the back. Two down here in the top of the third. American Samoa just need that one out to retire the side and get back with the sticks.
Okay, tika Damien.
Pop up a ground ball. I'm sure they won't mind as long as they can make the play.
And they've showed us that they're more than capable of making
Absolutely,
plays.
absolutely. But Australia have definitely shown some hard hitting, batting, finding gaps, forcing errors.
All right. Aggressive base running, hockey.
Just showing the levels to it.
Yep.
Coming up just over an hour here in this game 1 of the WBSC U18 Oceania Qualifier. Anything can happen from here on in. Coming up at 3 p.m. is New Zealand, American Samoa, and at 6 p.m. is the ANZAC game. Right here on Diamond 1, it's Australia, New Zealand. action-packed day here from Colquhoun Park in Palmerston North.
Aira, nau mai e te whānei. Whakarongo mai. Ki tēnei pāpāhotanga o whakata maru I tēnei pō. Tukinga ki Wainganui Aotearoa, ki Ahitereiria, ki te tukinga o ngā ANZACs. Ono karaka.
Edards gets his third walk of the ball game, 4 if you're including the hit by a pitch. And that's going to bring to bat Ezekiel Turnbull. He was hit by a pitch in his last at bat as well. Caught at shortstop in a second and got that automatic home run off the first pitch in his first at bat. Loaded bases here for this Australian U18 side.
Ko te whainga matua mo tēnei kapa o American Samoa kia whai putanga. Te putanga whakamutinga o tēnei huri pāo. Ara.
Straight up the middle. Oh, great play there. And he deserved that.
Miharo, tama miharo. Ka rawe.
Helburn O'Brien able to make that play up the middle and then know where he is to make the force at second base, and that will retire the side. But not before Aussie add a couple more. They lead this one as we go to the bottom of the third. It is 17 runs to zip.
Get the MāORI Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewings and 100% ad-free.
Quite like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make MāORI Plus your mate and stream now.
No mai haere mai whānau. Welcome back here to Colquhoun Park. It is game number 1 of the WBSC Oceania Qualifier between American Samoa and Australia. We're at the bottom of the third here. It is 17 runs to 0 in favour of Australia. Sean Desaina will come up for his first at bat in this ball game. And they've got 3 outs to play with. They need to score some runs here, do American Samoa, to get another innings into this game.
Aira, ke tika koe Damien. Me whai wahi atu rata ki tētahi o manga. Ki ētahi me ki rā o manga. Ka haere tonu te game for the game to carry on. Need a minimum of 3 runs.
And Australia showing that they've got some depth, bringing in a new pitcher, Max Ferguson, onto the hill.
Aira, with a firm down ball by the looks of it.
Yeah, going from lefty to righty. Launches back. Gets him swinging. And they make the play at first base for the first out. Just that angle, I thought that was a foul for a second there, but I'm not on the deck. I don't see it like them.
I pērā te āhua o te epa.
Matai Lawson into bat now, the right fielder. Made a hell of a catch earlier in this game. And this is his first at bat. This team look like they might get 1 bat each against this pretty talented Australian side.
Kei tika koe, Damien. Ko tino ki te kounga I roto I te tākaro o tēnei kapa o Ahitereiria.
You can definitely see the tears.
Yes. Yep.
Nonetheless, whiako pai mo tēnei kapa o American Samoa. Great experience for this American Samoa team leading into the rest of the weekend.
Oh yeah, they'll take a lot away from this game, this weekend, everything, and you know, that might be the second out, go down swinging, but it'll be more than that. They'll be rubbing shoulders with the Australian and New Zealand boys. So, and I know there's a few legends around this park that will go down and have a chat to these boys as well. Being at this stage, representing your country, you know, everything comes in it. But yeah, they'll get a lot of it. And like I said earlier, they may not be the same side in a couple more games under their belt.
Kia ora. Yeah, whakai katoa nā hope. Come Monday, will be a totally different team.
Max Ferguson launches back into his wind-up. Inside zone for the strike call. Beautiful pitch there. 2 down here in the bottom of the third. Run rule in effect here. Aussie get that last out. It's game over. And that will take it to strike 2.
Tino ki te taiohitanga o tana epa. You can definitely see the youthfulness in his crow hop. Getting off the rubber.
Out of zone for ball. Logan Chen into bat now. The left fielder from American Samoa. Goes short on the handle with 2 strikes against him. Leaves that out. And that should load the count. 3 balls, 2.
Nā American Samoa kia whai wāhi atu ki te papatu atai. Te kaipatu nei. Trying to get the first batter on base here.
And he goes down swinging for the strikeout, and that will retire the side and call the ball game here for game number 1 of the WBSC U18. Sorry, mate. Oh, choked up there. Yeah, game number 1 in the books here of the WBSC U18 Oceania Qualifier. Australia getting the spoils here. 17 runs to 0 over American Samoa. Everybody gathering their belongings and getting ready for the next game, kicking off here on Diamond 1 at 3 p.m. It's the first look of the Junior Black Sox, the U18 team from New Zealand, taking on this American Samoa team. I think we're going to take a quick break and we'll be back with a roundup of this match one. Waiting for the wing. Campbell, yeah, we saw a big scoreline, but what will American Samoa take away from that one?
Ko ngā whiako, the experience.
Yep.
So getting game 1, cobwebs dusted off, and look to the next. You can't muddle too much on what's already happened, and just move to the next game.
Yep.
1 pitch at a time.
That's it. We're just getting word here of where we're at on the schedule. Of course, coming up at 3 p.m. is American Samoa and New Zealand. But it is Australia, American Samoa in the bag. We're just going to see some game highlights. And we'll be back with a break. We'll be back from a break right after these.
2-0.
Kia ora koutou e te whānau. Jackie Smith here with James Harris, and we are here with Stephen Macnack and also Jonathan Fabar, coach and pitcher from the Australian team. First and foremost, welcome to both of you. You must be happy to be here on such a beautiful day in the beautiful Manawatū. What a hell of a start for you. You've got to be happy with that.
Yeah, definitely. It's a really good start. Very disciplined start by the boys. Came out and achieved what we wanted to for sure. Yeah.
What are you looking forward to moving forward, or what will you take into the rest of the games?
Just the momentum into the rest of the games, the discipline in the batter's box. The boys did really, really well, and obviously on the defensive side of the game. So.
Perfect, fantastic. And let's talk to Jonathan.
Jono, great game on the stripe, mate. You pitched 2 complete innings for 4 strikeouts, and then in the box, 2 big home runs. Must be good to get the tournament off to a great start.
Yeah, it feels good. Couldn't be more happier than what I performed, but yeah.
And it felt good coming out the hand as well from the left side. Plenty coming up for the Aussie team, so you must be happy with the performance behind you.
Yeah, the boys performed well, come out strong, started strong. Coach said to us, we're going to start the tournament strong, and yeah.
Back over to you, Jackie.
Stephen, what are you going to say to your team after a game like that? Everything seemed to go really well, and it looked like from the outside according to plan. But, you know, on the back of that, what do you say to your team?
Yeah, just to don't get complacent. Stay your rules. Stay the way you play, and obviously have fun with it.
This afternoon, a big game against New Zealand, the first of many to come. What will you be looking to do in that game?
It's probably settle the nerves. It's going to be a very big game, home crowd, ANZAC Day. It's a really big thing for the boys. So settle the nerves, get to have a good start to the game.
Fantastic. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. We have had our first game completed for the under-18 WBSC Oceania Men's World Qualifier. Big game this afternoon for Australia, taking on New Zealand. But first and foremost, the next game up, Game 2 between American Samoa and New Zealand.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Well done. Good job.
Thank you, Jackie and James, with their winning coach and pitcher from Australia. Well, Campbell, hell of a game, but we're not done yet. It's game number 2 on the schedule coming up. It is New Zealand versus American Samoa. First chance to see our boys.
Aira, te tika ana kia whenei te tuatahitanga kia kite atu tātou i ngā tangata whenua me ki i te kapanei o Aotearoa. Me te hikaka katoa o te whānau kua hui tahi nei ki ngā whira, ki te Manawatū. Kua hara mai ki te mātaki i tēnei kapa. Yeah, really excited.
Kia ora. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thanks to you for joining us wherever you are, whether you're at the ground or around the country, or Australia, or American Samoa. We appreciate having you here on Beyond the Dugout Broadcasting. Damien Collins called the play-by-play, calling the colour and the reo. Is Campbell Nāremu. We're going to take a break. We'll be back with the 3 o'clock game, American Samoa and New Zealand, but I'll leave it to you, Campbell, to close us out.
Ka tira e te whānau kia whakakapi ake tātou, Māori tū, Māori ora.
Thank you.